In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps of creating liquid text animation in ArtText 4. I will begin by adding a 2D text. For this particular design, I split the word liquid into two parts and start with designing the LIQ part. Via the Fonts dialog, I changed the font to Avenir Next Condensed. Now I will apply a shading material to the text. The Fill section contains a multitude of shading materials you can use. I will choose the pink-bluish from the Environment collection. To give the shading material some volume, I will increase its size and depth properties. After that, I can move on to the Effects tab of the inspector. First thing, I will turn on Inner Shadow and change its color to the background color. This will ensure that the text design blends well with the background. Then I will add 3 distortion effects. Blur first, followed by 2 roundness distortions. Then I will change the blur distortion mask and adjust the roundness distortion settings. Once done, I duplicate the text and change it to the last part of the word, liquid. So now I have 2 parts of the word with the identical text effect. Now it's time to make one of the text parts liquid-like. For this, I will increase roundness parameters for both roundness distortions. Once this is done, I can start creating animation by adding keyframes. For this, I click the plus button twice. For the second keyframe, I change the lower part of the word back to the original and change roundness parameters, this time for the upper part of the word. Once done, I click the loop button, which adds a keyframe identical to the first one. Finally, I will adjust the animation by increasing the transition time and changing the transition effect to spring. This will add a slightly bouncing effect. Well, that's it for our short lesson